Good morning, students. Today also we are going to find eigenvectors and eigenvalues. Of course, this is the last class to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. In the next class we'll go for next topic, characteristic equation. Okay? Yes. Come on. Next problem. If lambda equal to 4, if lambda equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of a equal is an eigenvalue of a equal to 3 0 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 3 4 5 minus 3 4 5 3 0 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 3 4 5. If so, find one corresponding eigenvector. If so, find one corresponding eigenvector. If so, find one corresponding eigenvector. Come on, write the solution. First, given what is we have given. Before that, one see the question once. If lambda equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of the matrix A, if so, find the eigenvector. Simply we have to find x bar. We have to find x bar. Come on, write what he gave us. Given lambda is equal to 4, given lambda equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of lambda is equal to 4 is an eigenvalue of a equal to 3 0 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 3 4 5. We know that a x bar is equal to lambda x bar, or you can write one more, a minus lambda I times of x bar is equal to 0 bar. A minus lambda I times of x bar equal to 0 bar. Come on, implies we already know the value of lambda, and a also we know. Come on, substitute a. 3 0 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 3 4 5 minus lambda times of I means identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We have to multiply with lambda. What is lambda value? 4. So simply we will get 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4 of x bar. 3 rows we have, so obviously 3 variables will be there. So x1, x2, x3. Then only product of the matrix is possible. 3 rows, obviously 3 elements should be there. x1, x2, x3 equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Yes, now we have to solve it to know the value of x1, x2, x3. so that we know x bar in vector. Let's copy it. A minus lambda x bar equal to 0. Come on, simplify it. We have to do subtraction for these two matrices. Subtraction of these two matrices, nothing but simply we do subtraction corresponding entries, we will do it. Corresponding entries. Come on, do it. 3 minus 4 minus 1. First element here and first element here. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Again here 0 we have 0 minus 0. 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. First row is over. Second row 2 minus 0 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1 1 minus 0 1. Third row minus 3 minus 4 only minus 3 4 5 minus 4 1 of x1 x2 x3 equal to 0 0 0. Now consider augmented matrix and solve it. Okay, let's come copy up here. We have to find x1, x2, x3 values. We have to find it. Okay. Now we consider. Now we consider augmented matrix. Now we consider augmented matrix. A x bar is equal to b bar format, so simply I can write a b bar. Now we consider augmented matrix a b bar. Actually, homogeneous, no? All are zeros, so no need actually. What is the a 0 bar? A 0 bar, right? Over. Now come right. Now we consider augmented matrix A 0 bar. Come right, matrix A minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 4 1 0 0 0. Now we have to solve the help of echelon form. First row, first element, second row, second element, third row, third element. Come on, see the matrix what we have. Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 4, 1. Come on, we'll do row operations first. First, I may have to make column elements. First column, these down elements have to make it 0. These down elements have to make it 0. So here R2 implies R2. Here 2 is there. 2 minus 2 0. So R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. Next, R3 implies R3 minus 3. We require plus 3 we require. So minus of this is plus. Okay. R2 implies R2 plus 2 R1 minus 2 minus 2. So if you multiply 2 here, it becomes minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 0. So first operation R2 implies R2 plus 2 R1. Second operation R3 implies R3 minus 3 R1. R3 minus 3 R1. Come on, do it. First row as is minus 1 0 minus 1 0. Second row 2 multiply 2 minus 2 0. Minus 1 here multiply 2 into 0 0. So minus 1 get here 1. This is minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. Second row is over. Now third row operation. Here we have to multiply 3. Minus 3 multiply here 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus of minus 3 0. 4 minus 3 times of 0 4. This is minus 3. 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Nothing but 1 plus 3, 4. Oh. I can be divided to 4 from R3. R3 by 4. R3 by 4 and similarly R2 by minus 1. R2 implies R2 by minus 1. R3 implies R3 by 4. Come on now. Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. 0. We divide by minus 1, no? We'll get 1, 1, we'll get 0, 1, 1, 0. Here also getting 0, 1, 1, 0. Simpling. These two are same only we have. So simply I get R3 plus R3 minus R2. We can make it 0 simply directly also. R3 plus R3 minus R2. R3 plus R3 minus R2. इसका हम कॉपी इसका हम कॉपी इट यस विल कंटिन्यू Let's continue. R3 plus R3 minus R2. Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Second row as now third row minus second row. Come on to subtraction, simply getting 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. That's all. Now I'll write the equations. Echelon form is over. Now I'll write equations. Come on, write the equations. Minus x1, 0 x2, minus x3 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Once here see, minus 1 x1, 0 x2, 0 x2, 0 x2, minus 1 x3 equal to 0. Equation number 2, 0 x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Equation number 2. We have to solve equation 1 and 2. Directly we getting solving equation 1 and 2 we getting x1 plus x2 will get one more value. Or simply how many equations? 2 equations of 3 variables. Let us assume one of the variables is k. 2 equations of 3 variables. Let us assume one of the variables is k. Common variable is x3. So I assume let x3 is equal to k. Let x3 equal to k. Come on, substitute. Equation 1 implies minus x1 minus k equal to 0. Therefore, x1 equal to minus k. Minus x1 minus k equal to 0. Minus x1 is equal to k. Nothing but x1 is equal to minus k. Equation number 2 implies x2 plus k equal to 0. So, x2 also equal to minus k. We got x1, x2, x3 values. So, we can give in vector. Alright. Therefore, x bar equal to x1, x2, x3. X bar equal to x1, x2, x3. Come on, what is x1 value? Minus k. x2 value? Minus k. x3 value? K. Now you take k common. K times of minus 1, minus 1, 1. That's all. This is the in vector. Let's come and copy it. Is the in vector corresponding to lambda is equal to 4. Let's come and copy it. therefore minus 1 minus 1 1 is the eigenvector is the eigenvector corresponding to is the eigenvector corresponding to is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4. Is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4. Come on, we'll verify it also. Verification. Come on, consider Ax bar. We have to get lambda x bar. We have to get. Consider Ax bar. Come on, right? Equal to A. Already we have matrix A. Come on. From the question we can write matrix A. 3 0 minus 1. 3 0 minus 1. 2 3 1. 2 3 1. Next minus 3 4 5. Minus 3 4 5. 3 0 minus 1. 2 3 1. Minus 3 4 5. Times x bar. Now we calculate it. Minus 1 minus 1 1. Minus 1 minus 1 1. Come on. Multiply it. First row with first column. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 0 minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. First row with the first column over. Second row 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Next 3 minus 4 plus 5. Now simplify it. Simply we getting Ax bar equal to Ax bar is equal to simplify minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 3 plus 5 8 8 minus 4 4 and I can take 4 also. I can take common. Take 4 common, simply getting minus 1 minus 1 1. So simply Ax bar is equal to lambda x bar. It's correct. X bar already we have seen that x bar is equal to minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and already we have lambda equal to 4. Satisfied. So the vector we calculated for lambda is equal to 4 is correct. Therefore Ax bar is equal to lambda x bar. That's all. Copy it. Very simple process. He given already lambda equal to 4 is given and the vector also is given. A matrix is given. Sorry, matrix A is given. Simply we have to find eigenvector. We have to find. So we consider A minus lambda I x bar is equal to 0 bar. We simplified it. So at the end we got eigenvector. We got x bar. We got. So x bar is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 4. We got. The problem is over here. We did verification also. It is satisfied. Yes, come on, you can check it once. Yes. Now, last problem. One more problem. We'll find eigenvector so that this topic will be completed. Eigenvalue, eigenvector, and eigenspace topic will be completed. So that in the next class we will start with one more new topic. Okay. Last problem. If you can do it, means do it. If not, you can see the solution part also. Okay. Yes. Come on. Copy the question. Last problem. Find a basis. Find a basis find a basis for ion space. Find a basis for ion space. Find a basis for ion space corresponding to ion value. Corresponding to ion value. Lambda equal to -2. Corresponding to ion value lambda equal to -2 of the matrix A equal to 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 4 minus 13 1 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 4 minus 13 1. That's all. We have to find basis of ion space. Actually we have to find ion vector only. We have to find ion vector, but we have to give all the solutions. We have to give it. For example, k into something, we got the vector. That vector we give. Now instead of k, we have to give all the values. We have k equal 1, k equal to the k equal to like that. We will get infinite solutions. We will get it. Infinite vectors we will get. That all the vectors we have to write a set. In terms of a set. That we call as a basis for ion space. Simplified ion vector. And we have to write multiple of k. That k value 1, 2, 3. That all the vectors simply we call it ion space. Set of all solutions we call it ion space. Basis of ion space. Come on. Solution. Given A equal to come write the matrix. Given A equal to and lambda equal to how much? -2. Lambda equal to -2. Consider A minus lambda I x bar is equal to 0 bar. Will be here. Consider A minus lambda I x bar is equal to 0 bar. Come on. A already have matrix A. 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 4 minus 13 1 minus lambda times of identity matrix 3 by 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Further we have to multiply -2. Come right. -2 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 minus 2 of x bar equal to 0 bar. Once again here see matrix A. I wrote minus lambda times. What is lambda value? -2. -2 times of identity matrix. Actually identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Further I will multiply with -2. That's all. -2 0 0 0 -2 0 0 0 -2. X bar equal to 0 bar. Now simplify this. Come on, simplify it. It implies 1 minus of -2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus of -2 plus 2. That will be -1 0 4 minus 13 1 plus 3 of x1 x2 x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Yes, we have simplified using echelon form so that we get x1, x2, x3 values. Come on. Diagram solving with echelon form. First element, second element, third element. Now I have to make this position as 0. So simply R2 implies R2 minus 3R2. 3 1 ja 3 3R2. One minute. R2 implies 3R2 minus R1. Similarly, R3 implies 3R3 minus 4 times of R1. Now see the row operation. This position I have to make it 0. So R2 implies this multiply 3 here. 3 minus 3, 0. For this make it 0, multiply here 3, here multiply with 4. 4 3 is 12 and 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 2, 0. So first row as it is only 3, 0, minus 1. Multiply here 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Multiply here 3. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3. Multiply here 3 times. 0, minus 1, minus 1. 1. Now third row. Multiply here 3. 4 3 is 12. Here multiply here 3. 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 1, 0. And multiply here 3. Minus 39, minus 0. Minus 39. Here multiply here 3. 3 3 is 9. Multiply here 4. Minus 4. 3 minus of minus 4 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Times x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Yes. Now continue. 3, 0, minus 1. 0 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 13, 13. Here 3 3 is 9. And here I have to multiply 4, minus 4. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. I can divide by 13 also I can do. Divide by minus 13 I can do it. Okay, let's come on. R3 implies R3 by minus 13. R3 implies R3 by minus 13. Come on, continue. R3 by minus 13. So 3, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 0. Minus 13, no? 3 times, and here minus 1 time. x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. And now, this element also I can make it 0. Simply both are same one actually. R3 implies R3 plus R2. 0 row will get because both are same one. If difference is only minus difference will get. So simply 3 0 minus 1 0 minus 3 1 0 3 plus minus 3 0 and this is also 0 into x1 x2 x3 equal to 0 0 0. Now come write the equations back. 3x1 minus x3 equal to 0. Equation number 1. 3x1 minus x3 equal to 0. Equation number 2. 0x2 minus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 0. We have to solve these two equations. We have to solve it. Let's come copy it. I have to solve the two equations. Let us assume three variables of two equations. So assume one of the variable as k. Let x3 is equal to k. x3 is equal to k. So obviously equation 1, 3x1 minus k equal to 0, x1 equal to k by 3. x1 minus k by 3. Come on, now x2. Equation number 2, minus 3x2 plus k equal to 0. x2 is equal to k by 3. Both are same. x1 is k by 3, x2 also k by 3. x1, x2. Now write, therefore, x bar is equal to x1, x2, x3. Come on, write the value of the x1 value, k over 3, x2 k over 3, and x3 is k. You can take k by 3 as common. So simply we getting 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. This is the basis for ion space. This is the basis for ion space. Come on. Therefore, 1, 1, 3 is the basis for ion space. Is the basis for ion space. That's it. Is the basis for ion space. Now copy it. So that this topic is will be completed. Ion value, ion vector, and ion space. The next class we discuss characteristic equation. That's enough for today. Tomorrow we will continue with one more topic, characteristic equation of second unit.